you have done your remaining homework problems. Okay, in this class we are going to solve exercise 1.2 problems. First, see, write down the pair of integers whose sum is 7. Okay, here take take one pair of numbers whose sum should be 7. Okay, let us see first one. Solution. See here, -8. Sum means we have to add. What we have to add? Yes, we have to add plus 1. Then look here, already we know that conversion of signs. Plus into plus equal to plus. Minus into minus equal to plus. Again, here minus into plus equal to minus. Plus into minus equal to minus. Which means the product of any two like signs is always a positive. The product of any two unlike sign is always a negative sign. Got it? Same here we have to apply here. -8 right as it is, plus into plus, plus -8 plus 1 is -7. Why we have to write here minus means -8 is the greater number. So if we add 1 to -8, then the answer is -7. We got our answer. Okay, let us see next problem, that is difference is minus of 10. See children, here whose difference is the pair of integers whose difference is -10. When we have difference means we have to subtract. Solution, right? -12. We have to difference means subtract. What we have to subtract? How much? If we subtract to -12, we will get -10. Yes, -2 we have to subtract. Then simplify it. -12 right as it is, minus into minus plus 2 which is equal to minus of 10. So given statement is holds good. Solve. Next, let us see another problem, that is sum is 0. Solution, whose sum is 0. See here, the pair of integers sum should be 0. How? Yes, 5. Sum means add. What we have to add to get that 0? Yes, -5 we have to add. Therefore 5 plus into minus 5 which is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, now we are going to discuss about second problem, that is write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference is -8. See here, minus. See, where we have to write -2. We have to take negative integers. -2 is also negative integers and subtract. The difference means we have to subtract -10. Okay, got it children? Here see, -2. Minus into minus plus 10. If we subtract -2 from 8, 10, we get 8 is the answer. Got it children? Yes. Next problem. Write a negative integers. Okay, we will write it here. That is a B1. Write a negative integer and a and a positive integer whose sum is minus of 5. Solution. See here, whose sum, here we have to say sum. When we add a number by any one negative integer, then its sum should be minus 5. Here see, take minus of 8, add, what we have to add? Yes, 3 we have to add, that should be plus. We know that 8 plus into plus only 3, which is equal to minus of 5. Understand? Next, third one, write a negative integer and a positive integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus of 3. Okay, see here we have to write a negative integer. Okay, a negative integer and a positive integer, that means both we have to write negative and positive integer, then whose difference is minus of 3. Okay, right. First, minus 2, minus of difference means you have to subtract. What to subtract? A positive integer, take plus 1. Okay, then minus 2 write as it is, minus into plus, yes, minus 2 are odd signs. 2 also, these two numbers, 2 integers also negative sign. So write the negative as it is and add these two. 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore, we got the answer. Okay. Next, we will go to another examples, another one problem. Hope you all copied this. Okay, fine. Now next problem, that is a old problem. See here, in a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0, and team B scored 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 rounds, 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Which team scored more? Okay, look here children, read the question very well and understand it. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0, and team B scored 10, 0 and minus 10 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Let us first how to form a sentence. See, first scores of team A. Scores of team A, that is equal to minus of 40, 10 and 0. That one we have to add, which is equal to minus 40 plus of 10 plus of 0. Minus 40 plus 10, 0 plus 10 plus 0 is 10 only. Minus 10 plus 10 equal to minus of 30. Okay, therefore scores of team B, which is equal to, what is the scores of team B? Yes, 10. Next 0, comma, and then is minus of 40. Okay. Now add this 10 plus 0 plus of minus 40. 10 plus 0 is 10 only. Okay. Plus into minus, minus 40. Okay. 10 minus 40 is yes minus of 30. Therefore, which team scored here more? Here the scores of team A and team B are same, 30 and 30. Therefore, the match is tied, draw. Okay. Therefore, right here both team A and B scored minus 30. Both teams are equal. Both teams are equally scored. Got it, children? Yes. See. Understand the question carefully. In a quiz, team A scored 40, minus 40, 10, 0, and team B scored 10, 0, minus 10, minus 10, 0, and minus 40 in the three successive rounds. Which team has scored more? Okay, which team has scored more? Here, first, I write the first question answer. The scores of team A is minus 40, 10, 0, and here I add this. Why you have to add this? Because to get who is the highest, who has higher. 40 plus 10 plus 0. Minus 40 plus 10 equal to minus 30, and scores of team B equal to 10, 0, minus 40. Again 10 plus 0 plus of minus 40, 10 minus 40 equal to minus 30. Here right, both teams A and B scored minus 30. Therefore, both the teams are equally scored. There is no winner. There is no both also winners. Okay. We are going to discuss about next problems. That is in the same exercise. Question number 5. Hope you all understand, dear children. Such type of the same problems you have to solve by looking your textbooks. Okay. The next problem is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fourth one. Fill in the blanks. In that, first one, minus 5 plus of minus 8, which is equal to minus 8 plus of dash. Second one, minus 53 plus of dash equal to minus of 53. Third one, 17 plus 0, 17 plus dash equal to 0. Okay. Look all of you children here. Here see. This is minus 8 plus minus 5 plus minus 8, which is equal to minus 8 plus dash. So it is a commutative property of addition. So here we have to write minus of 5. Got it? Here write if you want commutative. Why? Because of commutative property. Here just interchange the numbers and add it. Okay. Next here 53 plus dash equal to minus 53. Already we know that identity property. Identity property means what? Any number is added to integer, then its sum is always a number itself. Here we have to add 0. Okay, this is identity. Why? Because of addition of identity. Next 17. What is the number added to 17 to get 0? Yes, minus of 17 is added to 70 to get 0. Got it, children? Next, I will explain few concepts. Already I told you about conversion of signs, especially the product of like signs is always a like sign, that to be even types. The product of different signs or unlike signs is always a negative sign. Let us see about multiplication. That means product is nothing but multiplication. Now we will go to another exercise, that is find the product of the following. Okay, find the product of the following. See, it is very easy lesson, and multiplication already we have learned in lower classes. The same concept we have to adapt here and solve the problems. See, first find exercise 1.3. in that first main, find each of the following products. Find each of the following products. In that first one, 3 into minus of 1. We know that it is in the form of plus into minus is minus. 3 ones are 3, that is minus 3. Next, minus 12 into minus 12, which is equal to minus into minus plus 12 ones are 144. Okay, next, minus 1 into 255. Here see children, minus 1 into 255, which is equal to minus into plus minus 1. 255 is a 255. Okay, next, minus 21 into 30, minus of 30, which is equal to, here minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Here 1 0 is there, add a 0, plus of 630. Got it? Next, minus 316 into minus of 1, which is equal to multiplication of minus into minus is plus 361. 316 ones are 316. Okay, hope you all understand. Remaining rest of the problems we have to solve in that mind. Now we will go to another examples, that is verify the following. Verify first one, that is A, 18 into 7 plus of minus 3. Okay, this one you have to verify, that to be, which is equal to 18 into minus of 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay, close the bracket. See children, here solution. What is the property here we have to use? Yes, it is in the form of distribution. So we have to use here distributive property. Distributive property, that is A into B plus C equal to A into B plus of A into C. This property we have to use. Here in the place of A, 18 is there. In the place of B, 7 is there. In the place of C, 3 is there. That one you have to split and multiply. Okay. See here, and also you have to prove that both also equals. That means this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. So let's see. 18 into 7. 18 into 7. Okay. Plus 18 into minus of 3. Close the bracket, which is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus of 3. Close the bracket. 18 sevens are, yes, 126 plus 18 threes are, yes, minus 54. Why? Because here minus is there, so minus 54. Close the bracket, which is equal to 18 sevens are 126. Okay, plus of 83 is 54. Your minus sign is there, minus, right? Now 126, remove the brackets, plus into minus, minus 54, which is equal to 126 plus into minus, minus 54. See and subtract. Yes, see, 6 and 4, 2. Here 2 we cannot divide. Subtract from 5, so you have to take borrowed. It will become 12. 12 minus 5 is 7, which is equal to same 72. Therefore answer is 72. RHS equal to, LHS equal to RHS. Also we can write it as RHS equal to LHS. If it is equal, this is also equal. So you see, 72 is always equal to 72 only. But 72 is never equal to 71 or 73. Understand? This is what verification problem on this lesson. Next, we will go to one pattern is there. One pattern. We will do the pattern problem. It is very, very interesting. See children. Third one, starting from minus 1. Starting from minus 1 into 5. Write various products. Write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1. Minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 1. See here, various minus starting from minus 1 into 5, which is equal to minus 5. Okay, next minus 1 into 4, which is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 you can write it as minus 5 plus 1. Next, minus 1 into 3, which is equal to minus 3. We can write minus 3 as minus 4 plus 1. Minus 1. Next, 2, which is equal to minus 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus 1. Okay, next minus 1 into 1, which is equal to minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 plus 1. Next, minus 1 into 0 equal to 0. Therefore, it is equal to minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Got it? Therefore, minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Understand here? Okay. Hope you all understand. Next, Remaining problems you have to do yourself. Do you understand, children? Hope you all understand. Remaining problems you have to do. Okay? Thank you.